Hello everyone, Miss Carrie here. I'm so excited because the brand new Scrapbook magnetic glass craft mat from Glassboard Studio just arrived. This one was created specifically for scrapbookers with help from experienced creators like me. Let's open it up and take a look. This mat comes packaged beautifully with thick foam inserts so everything arrives safe and sound. Inside, you'll find a sweet thank you card. They always include those personal touches. Let me go ahead and pull the rest of this out so I can show you all the fun features because this mat is loaded with thoughtful details. This glassboard mat is a little different from the one I use and others you may have seen on the Glassboard site. It's a 14-inch by 26-inch premium tempered glassboard featuring a full 12-inch by 24-inch scrapbook grid. You'll notice right away that the grid is split in two. There are two 12 by 12 work areas, so you can lay out a full double-page spread or work on one page at a time. This also is a magnetic mat like the one that I have. When you flip it over, you'll see the metal backing that allows you to use all of your favorite rare earth magnets, mag ink trays, pins, and embellishment holders. It keeps everything in place so you can design without the pieces shifting around. Because it's made from 1/4 inch ultra clear glass, it is heat safe, scratch resistant, easy to clean, and smooth to cut with a craft knife. Let's take a look at the features that I love as a scrapbooker. On the left are photo and matting guides for the most common sizes, 5x7, 4x6, and 4x4. They even include 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch border markings so you can measure and trim your mats perfectly. If you're someone who loves precision, cutting with a craft knife, or struggles with even borders, this is a game changer. You'll also see a set of angled guides across the board. I personally love these. I am always cutting pattern papers on a diagonal or adding titles at an angle, and these lines are going to make it easy to line everything up perfectly every single time. Glassboard Studios also has a magnetic ruler, which I need to grab because that will be a perfect addition to my scrapbook creative time. Now, if you're one who enjoys creating layers, fancy folds, or dynamic page backgrounds, all of these lines are going to come in really handy. For all my card making friends, they didn't forget about you. On the right side are greeting card size guides, so you can measure, trim, and design everything from A2 cards to larger formats. The extended center and angle guides will also help with envelope making, card folds, and anything that needs precision alignment. Just like the other Glassboard Studio mats, you also have clear measurement rulers along the top and sides, so everything is easy to measure at a glance. This mat is going to give you plenty of room to spread out. You can build a layout, set the photos aside, prep embellishments, and still have open space to work. The non-slip feet are going to keep it steady on your desk, and the polished edges and rounded corners make it comfortable to use every day. It's also nice and sturdy for stamping, so if you're one who enjoys adding stamped images to your layout, this is going to be a great product for you to use. All of these printed guides are fade proof and they're going to stay bright and crisp over time. If you're like me and use mixed media or paints, this is really easy to clean. Just use water, alcohol, or your favorite household cleaner. I can't wait to show you how I'll be creating scrapbook pages on this scrapbook glassboard in my upcoming videos. You're going to want to see this in action. If you want to grab one of these, you can save 20% today and tomorrow with my code CARRIE. And don't forget to pick up a few accessories while you're at it. Those mag ink trays, magnetic ruler, and accessory trays are going to make crafting even easier. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions about this new Glassboard, feel free to post those in the comments below. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see what you create.